Grain and ear. The 9th solar term in the 24 solar terms. A farming proverb says, "When grain and ear arrives, harvesting and sowing go hand in hand." At this very moment, across the vast fields of Henan, golden waves of wheat stretch all the way to the horizon. This is the most intense period of the 3 summer farming season: summer harvesting, summer planting and summer field management. From harvesting to sowing, every moment counts. More than 85 million mu of wheat fields are now in a critical period of large-scale mechanized harvesting. Over 200,000 combine harvesters are working in the fields. Grain storage facilities are ready, with sufficient available capacity. Behind this remarkable efficiency are the Beidou navigation satellite system, smart agricultural platforms, and a new generation of tech-savvy, skilled farmers. As soon as the wheat is brought into storage, no-till seeders move in right behind the harvesters, sowing the seeds of hope for a bountiful autumn harvest. Not an inch of land is left idle. From knowing how to farm to farming with intelligence, Henan, the granary of central China, is writing a new chapter in food security. With technology in our hands and the land beneath our feet, we keep China's rice bowl firmly in our own hands.